Doing a quick review on the foldable tripod, portable seating stand, whatever exactly we want to call this. So I got this specifically to keep in my car. I am very sad to share that my dad passed away 2 weeks ago, and so I come to the cemetery daily in the evening to spend time with him. And I was trying to avoid sitting on the ground and getting bit by ants. So this is the stand. Of course, it is a tripod. I haven't taken the tag off. It does fold up, very compactable. It has a very handy carrying string. I call it a string, but it's got a handle that you can tote it or put it over your shoulders. Sits very well. I'm about 5'2.5", and I weigh 125 pounds. It's very comfortable. I had my mom to sit in it. She is about 5'3", and she weighs about 175, and it worked very well for her. But it's been absolutely perfect for the need that we have. But wanted to do a quick review.